To this Premier League as opposed to the Championship, they're against players who think quicker, the touches.
Keep it solid and keep it compact in the beginning of the game.
Always live in the memory for the right kind of reasons. For both, it ended a long... Milner, Leeds-born, a Leeds United product, is on the Liverpool bench. So this is the Leeds lineup for their big day at Liverpool, and it's live.
I think he's sitting on his bucket. Ian Jeffrey tried it out just before the...
Premier League football in front of us, and indeed a lot of football in the football. Firmino's in. Oh, he chose to cut it back to the relief, I think, of Meslier. One of Liverpool's danger men away from the point of danger, but Salah has the shot.
Oh.
And the referee's given the penalty. Ooh. Michael Oliver, but it is being checked by VAR. So here goes Salah, who gets his first goal of the new season, Liverpool's first goal of the new season, emphatically from the penalty spot.
Yeah, well, I said I felt it was maybe a harsh decision. Going against that man there, his first game. You see this man there, Mo Salah, absolute goal machine.
Well, he's now scored on opening day.
Salah strikes the ball there.
Mane. Salah goes for goal again, blocked fairly enough. Jack Harrison. Bamford has just pulled away from the centre-backs. That cross didn't arrive. Here's Pablo Hernandez. Gomez gets to it. Click. Keeps it alive. Harrison. Mane. Keita going in. Oops. Harrison still going, and they're level. Leeds United. In the 12th minute, the club that marches on together has marched on to an equaliser at the Kop end of Anfield. Jack Harrison.
Brilliant goal, absolutely fantastic. You get into Phillips, a lot of talk of him in an England shirt midweek and what he could do. Never got the opportunity to do this, but what a touch. That's a first touch also.
And here comes Keita, who's got behind Struijk. 6-1, so there is another side to that story. And here's Mane, trying to restore Liverpool's advantage. Wijnaldum's moment or two to go, and Bamford coming in. Goalkeeper's out of his goal, and Mane's got plenty to aim for, but the flag has gone up, and it's going to be checked again. Points last season. Keita to wriggle through. It's in the early minutes. He might just be doing that here.
Going to 90 minutes like this.
In towards Helder Costa. Oh, it's a free header.
It's a goal.
Virgil van Dijk, absolutely unmarked. And Liverpool have regained the lead in a way that Leeds will not be proud of.
Well, the first assist for the season for Andy Robertson, right on the money. He puts that ball in, and it just got written on that ball, head me.
Hernandez, Mane, Henderson to hit it, and hit it almost too true. No rustiness there.
There's too much space there.
Yeah. Mane just... Mane has to come. The answer was no. Robertson tries again. Oh, and Struijk. What a wonderful save by Meslier to prevent an own goal. Sharp reflexes. Seeing the right side this time. Keita. Oh, and Van Dijk has presented it to Bamford, who's tucked it away. It's a massive moment for Patrick Bamford personally, but even bigger for Leeds United. As long as it passes the scrutiny of VAR, it is Liverpool 2, Leeds United 2, and we haven't yet had half an hour, and it is confirmed at 2-2. It is a wonderful game of football.
It's a brilliant game. I said hopefully after 17.
Taken by Robertson, touched by Struijk.
Oh!
Salah. The goals are not going to stop.
Are we watching a computer game or something here? I mean...
Yeah, It's only half an hour gone, and the EFL champions have already conceded 3, but they looked last year 5 goals in this sort of time, maybe even quicker.
Yeah, I was just thinking before.
And Robertson very near. Ayling goes on the outside. Oh, and Pablo Hernandez hoped someone was behind him. It couldn't have been a call. And here's Mane. Chance for the shot. Good stop by Meslier. And then the flag's gone up for offside. Sweeping forward again. Mane lines up the shot. Has another go. And time. Helder Costa. Klich. Helder Costa again goes down. Klich trying to get forward. Van Dijk, who's been a little bit... who cuts it back, and Wijnaldum must have thought that when he turned and shot, Leeds would... Here's Helder Costa pressing for a third equaliser for Leeds United, and not... Salah settles for...
Rodriguez.
And Van Dijk is there, he can't keep... 4 against 3, Firmino and new players, and here's Salah. Comes back away with anything as the visitors last season. Gomez needing that acceleration to beat Klich. And now here is Harrison, and the flag has stayed down, and Alexander-Arnold's headed it into his own net, but now the flag has gone up. Simon Bennett on the ability in that position, but Henderson's still out there. He's crossing. Mane trying to get through the middle. Koch just strong. Firmino, and Fabinho's up with him. He's got Salah to play in as well, the hat-trick man, but he's...
Alexander-Arnold's take. Meslier pop. Aimed in for Klich, 3-3! Never mind, Leeds are coming back. Leeds are not going away. And that is a super finish. And this is a super game. And boy, they're welcome back. They are very welcome back. And 3 times on the night they have come. Mane. Salah. Mane.
And look at that, Peter, second half. Leeds almost 2.
Nudged away as far as Firmino.
Koch has got...
Robertson. Out by Koch, and heaved into the cop by Mo Salah.
You can forgive him that because it's on his right, and it's hard to get the...
Tyler Roberts, he's got a trick. He's bright. Salah, Firmino, Curtis Jones. Taken away by Firmino, and looking to atone for his error, the Brazilian. It's Calvin Phillips.
It's a pretty good one. That's a great attempt. And he's very close, and you just have to look at Alisson because he's scrambling with all he had to try and get across and be there. Should it have been on target?
Wijnaldum. There's Robertson's corner. There's Van Dijk. He's not missing from there. But it's been ruled out. At least for now. England couldn't connect. Out by Phillips. Came to Fabinho, penalty.
Rodrigo's the one who's given it away, Peter, and he basically presented an invitation for Fabinho to...
And to complete a hat-trick. Mo Salah slams it in, and Liverpool have their 4th and maybe their final lead of an exhilarating opening night at Anfield.
Well, for him, for Marcelo Bielsa, that's really tough to take, and he'll probably be quite angry at the way it was given away because it was very sloppy on the part of Rod.
Hoists it forward, and the assistant referee rightly gives him offside.